Hello everyone, in this video we need to determine among the five which would be the possible intermediate for this reaction. So we can see that in the morphine has a the phenolic OH that can react with this acidic anhydride. So the phenolic OH, that means this OH will react with the acidic anhydride. It will simply react with the acidic anhydride. Now the acidic anhydride is an alkylating agent. This acidic anhydride, it is an alkylating agent. If I name it as B, it would be simpler and it would be A. So the acidic anhydride, let's write it as B. So it is what? It is an alkylating agent. Alkylating agent, and this will transfer the acetyl group to the phenolic OH of the morphine. That means it will transfer this acetyl group to the phenolic OH. The reaction